To automatically use the auto FPS feature for 30 and 60 FPS videos on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Camera app and then tap the setting icon at the top left. Scroll down the screen. Under Video section, tap Auto FPS and then select Use for 30 FPS and 60 FPS videos. With this setting, when you record a 30 FPS or 60 FPS video in video mode in low light condition, your phone will automatically reduce the frame rate to allow more light per frame. Seeing from how it works, it will help you to improve visibility, reduce noise, and make the video look clearer and brighter in darker environment. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.